All right, so this, what I am drawing, is picture a string or a spring just kind of laying there. So you've got it, it's just laying across the table. It is at rest. Cool? So I will just say this part is string or spring at rest. Okay, then we start to shake it. You gotta shake the spring. So you shake it and it goes up like this. Oh, that just happened to work out beautifully. All right. So you shake it, you get some vibrations. Okay, you need energy to cause vibrations. So and these vibrations are going to be called a wave. Okay, so a wave is more sciencely noted as a disturbance in a medium, for the most part. So a wave is a disturbance in a medium. And a medium is just what is it traveling through. So it could be air. Air is a medium. It could be water. Water is a medium. Okay, so any of that medium is whatever is traveling through. Okay, so whatever it's traveling through. Air is probably the most common one that we talk about. Now we're going to look at the anatomy of a wave, the parts of a wave. Oh, let's pick a pretty color. What do we want? I want the reds. I'm going to go with that one. All right, the top part of the wave. Top part of a wave is a crest. Crest. And that's the top. Okay? So how many crests are here? 3. Good. We've got crest, crest, crest. The bottom part of a wave, down here, is a trough. So top part, crest, bottom part is trough. So far, so good? All right, then we've got, I'll go with that guy. We have the height of a wave from rest, where it was to when it rested, to crest, or rest to trough. Those are considered, or what we call amplitude, or amps, for those of you that are speaker files. If you like speakers and you like the sound, the amps are the height of the wave. So let's see, I'm going to put amp as an abbreviation, and then up at the top I'm going to write down amplitude. think these are just easier to show you in pictures. Okay. Is that big enough for everybody to see? Okay. Let's see. We've got crest, trough, amplitude. There's another critter up here. Let's try, and we'll go good old black on this one. The distance from a crest to a crest, or trough to trough. Is called a wavelength. The distance between, really, it could be any two consecutive points. I could say right here, going up right here. So any of these distances is a wavelength. Okay, so that's going to be distance from crest to crest. Notice it's the first one crest to the next immediate crest, right? You're not skipping one. It's just here to there. Trough to trough. This point to that point. Okay? Wavelength is distance from one point to another. Like crest to crest. Uh-oh. Crest to crest. Okay? Okay. We will abbreviate wavelengths with a Greek symbol, lambda. Wavelength is lambda. It kind of looks like an upside down Y. Some people think it looks like a 2. Sorta. Lambda is wavelength. So this is a wavelength. This part is a wavelength. I want to make sure I'm getting them all. I know I've got one more to do for sure. But I don't want to leave you hanging. Crest, trough, wavelength, amplitude. Aha. Frequency. Frequency is how often the wave occurs. Or I should say the number of waves. So let's go here. And I'm going to go frequency. Number of waves. Okay? Number of waves. One wave, one complete wave has one crest and one trough. So if you start right here, the next time the wave starts to go up, that's one wave. So we've got one wave, up, down, back up again. There's two waves. And then there's three waves. So my frequency, the number of waves is 3. You can have a half a wave, you can have a quarter of a wave, but this frequency happens to be 3. So this one happens to be 3. It's measured in a unit called Hertz, Hz. And I think that's pretty good for that, okay? We have our basic details down for a wave. It's your basic wave anatomy. That'll get you through quite a bit. At least you can refer to portions when we're doing our explorations. So, any big questions on those?